Hello, today we'll be going over how to complete your US2 turnkey stand identification form. First, go to the Coleman.com webpage. Up here, you will locate the Exhibitor Zone dropdown. Find the show you're participating in. Once you're here, scroll down to the USA Partnership Pavilion forms. Once you've clicked on this tab, it will have a dropdown of all the forms. Here's the US2 turnkey stand identification form, a description of the form and the deadline, and the fact that it's mandatory for all turnkey exhibitors. Once you're on the form, you'll see the deadline along with a late fee that you will incur if the form is submitted afterwards. You'll also see who your exhibitor services is. For your company details, please complete your company name, your stand, the person who's completing the form's first name and last name and email address, and the person who will be on site. Then you will select the date that you've completed the form. The next part will be the fascia branding. This is a light box that will appear on the top of your stand to identify who you are. You can either choose the standard lettering or a custom company logo. If you choose the standard lettering, you will click here and type the lettering in on how you want it to appear. If you choose to do a company logo, you will have to tell them if you will be an inline, corner, peninsula, and the size of your stand. If you're unsure of this information, please go to the top of the page and email your exhibitor services, and they will let you know. Next, you will do your counter branding. You can do the standard lettering, a custom company logo, a full counter graphic, or the front counter graphic. If you choose to do any of the logos, you must upload the artwork here when you're submitting the form. You can also have your pylon branding. This is how your name will appear on the side of your booth, so as people are walking down the aisle, they can identify who is there. Then you will again select what size your stand is. If you are unsure, please go to the top of the page and email your exhibitor services. Once you've completed all this information, you will also see the option of what is in your turnkey package. Here is where you can indicate if there's anything you would like taken out of, or just to keep everything in your booth. You will also see an example of what your turnkey booth will look like. Once everything is completed, click on Continue. This is where you will see if you have purchased any logo or graphics, the total price. If you haven't, it will say 0. After you've reviewed this and confirmed the information, confirm your order. At this point, they will send an email to you with a confirmation.